Happy Saturday, everyone. This very morning, please allow me to share a gospel song entitled For I Know Jesus. Based on what we see here above in our church motto, na makita sa Psalms 40:16. Be still and know that I am God. In each of our hearts and minds, may we know who is really Jesus is. And we understand the real character of Jesus in us. Once again, for I know Jesus. I know that we are personal distinction. I made a call and mention of my own. I'm just an ordinary man, no riches, high position, but I know someone who's above all recognition. For I know Jesus, who is the King of kings and Lord of lords. He loves me, the Prince of Peace. Almighty God, the living Master, is a friend of his for me. When I'm alone, He comforts me with His promises. When I'm in need, He never fails to grace. He's the beginning and the end. How could I comprehend? There was only one who would rest and hold my hand. I know Jesus, who is the King of kings and Lord of lords. He loves me, the Prince of Peace. Almighty God, the living Master, is the friend of his for me. He is the victor, victorious warrior. But on the cross he died to be my